On a sailboat, a heave-to is a really good operation to know about and to know how to do it effectively. Essentially what you're doing is you're leaving the sails fully up. And you might want to do a heave-to so that you are stopping for lunch, perhaps, or you've got a man overboard, or you just want to hang out during a storm. The way to do a heave-to is to tack the boat, but not the headsail, and let the mainsail all the way out. This slows the boat down effectively to a stop because the wind is backwinded on the headsail and not acting on the mainsail. After the boat has come almost to a stop, you'll want to turn the helm all the way up to windward. And so this creates a balancing effect where the wind is acting on the backwinded headsail and it is pushing the bow downwind and slowing the boat down. Then, as the wind starts to hit on the mainsail, it speeds the boat up, but because you've got the rudder turned all the way to windward, it turns the boat back up again while slowing it down. And this sets up a balancing effect where the boat is essentially being pushed sideways and a little bit forward, but for most part, you're in a very stable position. Of interesting note, when heave-to in a storm, the slick or wake from the sideways movement of the boat flattens the approaching waves before they reach the hull, reducing the tendency to break violently against the boat. To get out of a heave-to, it's very simple. Just let the headsail flow all the way through and tighten up on the mainsail. Your boat will speed up and you'll be back in a normal sailing situation. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out nauticed.org where we've got over 30 general and specialized boating courses.